Chaos, loud noise, sudden silence. Do you feel it? Your brain is tired. Your attention span is broken. You have big goals for 2026, but you are too distracted to reach them. You don't need tips. You don't need motivation. You need a hard reset. You need monk mode. Monk mode is not about religion. It is a period of extreme focus. You cut out all the noise so you can hear your own thoughts again. Imagine disappearing for 30 days and coming back smarter, stronger, and richer than everyone else. Today, I am giving you the official monk mode protocol for 2026. 3 non-negotiable rules, 30 days, 0 excuses. Rule number 1, the digital ghost. Rule number 1 is the hardest. You must become a digital ghost. Most people spend 4 to 6 hours a day on their phones. That is 25% of your life. For the next 30 days, delete Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. No Netflix, no video games. I know, it sounds boring. That is the point. When you remove the fast fun, your brain heals. You aren't missing out. You are buying back your time. Rule number 2, deep work blocks. Now that you have all this free time, what do you do with it? You enter deep work. Pick the one biggest goal for 2026. Is it starting a business? Is it getting straight A's? Every single day for 30 days, you must do 4 hours of focused work on this goal. No phone, no music, just you and the work. 4 hours of monk mode focus is worth 40 hours of normal distracted work. You will get more done in 30 days than most people do in a year. Rule number 3, the body temple. A monk doesn't trash his temple. You cannot have a sharp mind in a weak body. For 30 days, you must follow these 3 health rules. 1, 30 minutes of exercise. 2, no junk food. Eat real food. 3, 10 minutes of meditation. This isn't about looking good. It's about energy. You need energy to crush your goals. You might be thinking, this sounds too hard. Yes, it is hard. That is why it works. Imagine it is January 31st, 2026. You could be exactly where you are now, tired and distracted, or you could be a machine. Your body is strong, your bank account is growing, your mind is sharp. Monk mode is the bridge between who you are and who you want to be. I am starting my monk mode cycle on January 1st. Are you coming with me? I challenge you. Commit to 30 days. If you are brave enough to try this, type "I am going ghost" in the comments. Let everyone else be loud. You go quiet, and let your results make the noise. Subscribe if you want to dominate 2026. Class dismissed.